TikTok has rapidly become one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, with over 1 billion active users globally. It's no longer just a platform for viral dance videos and entertaining memes. TikTok has evolved into a powerful tool for content creators, businesses, and influencers to make money. Whether you're a talented content creator, a savvy marketer, or a business owner looking to expand your online presence, TikTok offers countless opportunities to turn your creativity into cash. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to make money on TikTok. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the different monetization strategies available, how to leverage them, and what steps you need to take to start making real income on TikTok. Section 1: Understanding TikTok's potential for making money. TikTok is not just a platform for fun, it's a money-making machine for those who know how to use it effectively. The platform's massive audience, paired with its unique algorithm, allows creators to grow organically and reach millions of people with minimal investment. Unlike platforms such as Instagram or YouTube, where growth can be slower, TikTok's algorithm favors new creators, giving even users with a small following the chance to go viral. So how exactly can you make money on TikTok? There are several ways to monetize your TikTok presence, and in this video, we'll dive into each method. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, a business owner, or someone who simply wants to turn their creativity into profit, there's a monetization strategy that fits you. But before diving into the different ways you can make money, it's important to understand that success on TikTok is built around two key principles. Building a dedicated audience. No matter what monetization method you choose, you need to have a loyal audience that engages with your content regularly. This audience needs to trust you and find value in what you share. Creating engaging, valuable content. The most successful TikTok accounts provide entertainment, education, or inspiration. If your content doesn't resonate with viewers or add value to their lives, it will be hard to grow an audience and monetize your efforts. With these principles in mind, let's explore the various ways you can start making money on TikTok. Section 2: Growing your TikTok following. Before you can monetize your TikTok account, you need a significant following. Having a large and engaged audience is crucial for making money on TikTok, as it opens the door to partnerships, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. But how do you grow your TikTok following? Here are some key strategies to help you build a loyal audience. Find your niche. TikTok is home to a diverse range of content, from dance challenges and comedy skits to educational videos and tutorials. To stand out on the platform and grow your audience, it's important to find your niche and stick to it. Your niche should align with your passions, talents, and interests, but also be something that appeals to a specific group of people. Post consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your TikTok following. The more frequently you post, the more opportunities you have to get your videos seen by new viewers. Aim to post at least once a day, and experiment with different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. Leverage TikTok trends. TikTok is driven by trends, and hopping on popular trends can help your videos gain more exposure. Pay attention to the trending sounds, challenges, and hashtags that are circulating on the platform, and try to incorporate them into your content while still staying true to your niche. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal following on TikTok requires active engagement with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions in your captions, and engage with your followers through TikTok's Q&A feature or live streams. The more you interact with your audience, the more likely they are to stick around and support your content. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other TikTok creators is a great way to grow your following and reach new audiences. By partnering with creators in your niche, you can cross-promote each other's content and gain exposure to a new group of potential followers. Once you've started growing your following, you can begin exploring the different ways to monetize your TikTok account. Section 3: Sponsored posts and brand collaborations. Another highly lucrative way to make money on TikTok is by partnering with brands and creating sponsored content. Brands are eager to tap into TikTok's massive audience, and they're willing to pay creators to promote their products and services in a way that feels authentic to the platform.